Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for Haryali malai tikka. It's a green masala marinade made with yogurt and cream, and you can grill this chicken. I made this recipe on August 14th to celebrate Pakistani Independence Day, and it turns out delicious. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. Let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, I'm making haram masala. For that, adding cilantro and green chilies in a blender jug. Now, mint is optional, but it definitely enhances the taste. I added a little bit, and adding ginger and garlic with some raw papaya paste. Here goes the yogurt. Now we add cream. Today I'm using sour cream, but that's completely optional. You can add regular whipping cream with some lemon juice as well. Seasoning it with some salt, black pepper powder, roasted and crushed cumin, fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, and then an optional ingredient, yellow mustard. If you can omit it, but it will definitely enhance the taste. Blend everything well until you have a nice pasty mixture. Now if you don't want to make the malai tikka, you can definitely or completely omit the whipping cream. Now I am using a whole chicken today. You can use leg quarters or any other preferred part. Add all the marinade, mix everything well, cover and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. The more you marinate, the more delicious it will come out. Today I'm grilling this Haryali tikka, so I just heated up the grill and then I put it until it get nice color on one side, flip it, and then cook until the internal temperature reaches to 160. In the end, I'm just brushing up some butter. You can definitely make this chicken in a regular cooking pot or in a fry pan as well. The leftover marinade, I just cook it on the stove top and just mix it with the chicken and serve it with some chutney, raita. You can have it with the side of parathas. As I already mentioned, I made it on August 14th to celebrate Pakistani Independence Day. So I serve it with some mutton pulao and some banana pudding, and I'm definitely serving that recipe with you guys soon. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.